Before you open an exchange account or place your first trade, there's something far more important than profits or strategies. It's understanding how the platform works, how to stay safe, and how you can navigate everything confidently. If you're new to crypto, new to Phemex, or you've already signed up an account but is still unsure of certain steps, and then you're exactly in the right place. Because this video and this upcoming playlist is gonna be for you. Hi, I'm Kai and welcome back to the Mindful Crypto Life. This tutorial series is gonna be for beginners, for cautious traders, and for anyone who wants to use their exchange properly and safely, and not just jumping straight into placing trades. Yes, you're right, there's a lot of tutorials out there, but most tutorials available online skips the foundation. They usually assume that you already know everything that you're doing, and this one doesn't. So to start with, let's talk about what is Phemex and why it exists. Phemex is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2019. It's built with a strong user-first philosophy. Today, it's used by millions of traders globally in supported regions. They offer a good variety of products, including spot, derivatives, copy trading, bot trading, and wealth products. These were all designed to balance performance, transparency, and accessibility. What matters most isn't hype, it's that the platform is designed to grow with users, from beginners to advanced traders. Now, let's talk about the global presence and user base of Phemex. Phemex operates in a remote-first, decentralized model, allowing their teams to support users across multiple regions and different time zones. In terms of user base, Phemex operates globally in supported regions, including Latin America, some parts of Europe, Southeast Asia, and MENA. These are all central to Phemex's growth and achieving its mission, especially as these regions show strong interest in digital assets and long-term adoption. And for users, what this means is global reach with localized understanding. In this way, Phemex is able to serve you better. Now, let's talk about why I decided to create a playlist instead of a one-off tutorial. Well, one of the biggest mistakes of most traders isn't losing money on trades. It's actually making avoidable mistakes because they didn't fully understand the platforms that they were using. So it's things like skipping security, not knowing where to find support, confusion around verification, and even misunderstanding on how rewards work. With beginners in mind, I've decided to separate the frequently asked questions and mandatory steps and information that you need to know instead of putting it all together in one long video. In this way, you could just search what you need and you get it exactly how you need it. For example, how do I set up my account? How do I do my KYC? Where do I find support? How do I deposit and in which ways I could deposit? How much are the fees? And so on and so forth. All of this first before jumping into placing trades. This playlist exists to help you and assist you in your trading journey. And this playlist is just gonna keep evolving. We're going to start from the basic things that you need to get set up, basics of trading, and more advanced trading strategies, and we'll take it from there. This playlist exists to make sure that you avoid avoidable mistakes from the start. Going back to Phemex, let's talk about their security, trust, and transparency. As we know, security and transparency is non-negotiable in crypto. Phemex uses a multi-layered security approach, and it includes account protection features like 2FA or two-factor authentication, continuous monitoring, and proof of reserves using Merkle tree verification. So, what should you expect in terms of the structuring of this playlist? I'm gonna be arranging this playlist in a logical, step-by-step order, following the same journey what real users go through. Each video that I'm gonna put out in this playlist builds on the previous one, so if you're a complete beginner, I highly suggest watching them in order. However, if you already know some of these things, you may skip this recommendation and just search what you need. Once the onboarding tutorial and playlist is live, the next playlist is gonna be about products. We're gonna be starting with products overview, getting familiar with each product interface, and how to actually use them. My idea is actually very simple here. Understand first while taking action, and then use later and practice strategies. And what do I hope to achieve in this tutorial series? Well, by the end of this playlist, these are the things that I hope. I hope that you'd feel confident in navigating the platform. I hope that you'd learn how to protect your account. I hope that you understand where to find help whenever you need it. I hope that you are able to identify and avoid common beginner's mistakes. I hope that you find the right product that works for you and is suitable for your needs. And most importantly, I hope that you know exactly what you're doing before you start trading more consistently. So, that's the goal. If you're watching this right now, I'd like to thank you for watching the introduction to the upcoming tutorial series that I'm gonna be bringing out for you. This also means we're going to be uploading more videos in the coming days. And once it's out, I hope to see you there, and I hope that we achieve both our goals. Again, this is Kai from the Mindful Crypto Life, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!